Morning. Druridge Bay Parkrun this morning. A bit rainy today. Yeah. Also, as you can probably hear in the voice, have a little bit of a sore throat. So this could be fun. Let's see what this one's like. But we have done it before and I have videoed it before, so we know already what it's like. You have watched my previous video, haven't you? Haven't you? Haven't you? Surely you have. And we are.
Yeah, well I had one this morning.
You went. On white there. I managed to lose at the start. You're both swimming after?
Yes, we're practicing our kit
Okay.
for a swim-run event next weekend.
Excellent, have a good one then. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thanks, Marshall.
One kilometre, 7:14. Kilometre 6:55. Nice little campsite if you want to camp here. Per kilometre 6:45. Thank you, Marshall. Thank you, Marshall. Thank you, Marshall. 4 kilometre 6:56. Thank you, Marshall. Thank you, Marshall. Thank you. Fifth kilometre 6:46, and we are done. In.
Fabulous, well done, pal.
Thank you very much.
Nice one. Amazing.
I got 34:56. Position 180.
I didn't get clear ground in front of me, so well done.
Thank you very much.
Yep. The bridge, everybody slows down to the bridge.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Well done.
And geese with the guzzlings. Ain't got no bread, fellas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Haven't you done well? Oh, fluffy. Fluffy, aren't you? You know what happens when you come over here and see people, don't you? As you saw, gravelly track all the way around, so road shoes perfectly fine. I am wearing new blues. And that is Druridge Bay Parkrun done. Lovely little course when you can actually run it, as long as the weather's okay for it. A little bit drizzly today, but we managed it all right. Ran all the way, which is good, and got recognised by a viewer stroke subscriber, although me being me and not knowing how to be socially awkward, I forgot to ask his name, but thank you very much for coming and saying hello. That's very much appreciated. Glad to see that you like the videos. Get into Druridge Bay, buses mainly, or your own transport. You can get a train to Ashington and then cycle, but it is a good 7 miles, so if you're fit, like one person we saw, go for it. Otherwise, I'm afraid it's cars. Parking is free for until 10:30 as long as you display a Parkrun badge. I think that's it. Oh, and there is a cafe on site as well. I shall show you that now. One cafe, but it does get busy after Parkrun.
214.
Thank you for watching. And Druridge Bay is, as I said, about 7 miles up from Ashington, which is about 10 miles up from Newcastle. What else do you have? Yeah, that's it. There's a couple of small towns. We are on the Northumberland coast. So if you're coming up to Scotland, passing through on a Saturday morning or staying on Northumberland, I would recommend it. I think it's about the only one that's in Northumberland, to be perfectly honest. There is another Parkrun in Ashington and one across a bit further over. Oh, I know, it's at Almouth, isn't it? What's it? It's that one we did the other week. I will put a link somewhere. Can't remember what it's called now. Should do. Oh well, never mind. Post, run, mindfuck.